Hello everybody. Yeah, unfortunately it happened for the second time in my trading career. I blew an account. The very first time was when I traded for the first time, like everybody I guess, and now it happened again. As you can see in the upper right hand corner, there's only $130 left. So what did happen? First of all, in my last video I mentioned I 3x'd my account. And I said I will not take profit. And what happened the day after? The gold market came crashing down, and instead I lost some money over there. So lesson for the next time: take profits. And then another thing is, when I started trading on SimpleFX with algo trading, I was always trading with one share. And as the account grew, I switched to 2 shares, and I didn't change that setting. I thought I would make the money faster doing it that way, and instead it blew the account. So as you can see here in the size column, you can see every time I was trading with 2 shares instead of 1. So that has been fixed now. I switched it back to 1. And I've created a new account. I funded a new account, and yeah, I'll take it from there then for the next videos. So yeah, lessons learned: take profit. And then, since those SimpleFX accounts are high leveraged, it's better to take profit. At least it won't eat away that much from your trading account when you're in a loss. Okay, that being said, let's go to the charts. And so we have Bitcoin doing nothing. And the interesting thing is that we are in this previous range, which is the one over here in blue. So this was a accumulation zone back in, what is this, 2024. And now we're back over here. So it might be another accumulation zone and then to continue higher, but that has to be seen. Then let's see on the daily chart, where are we? Still short Bitcoin, although with a virtual loss for the moment. Ethereum, this one is doing well, so we went short over here and currently in profit, and it looks like Ethereum is also doing nothing for the moment. Solana, also nice trade for the moment, got the sell signal over here, and then we went all the way down. And also not much action there. XLM also in profit for the moment, although this one didn't dump that much since the short signal was given. XRP, this one is also a bit on and off. Buy, exit, buy, exit, buy, exit. And yesterday another buy signal. So also ranging, not much going on here. Then Gala, this one looks good, short over here, and then all the way down, so nicely in profit with this one. And then Ton, yeah, also here not much happened, 2 buy signals, then an exit over here with a loss. And this one looks like it's still coming down, so this one is not ranging, although it had this uptick when we got the buy signals. Yeah, interesting. No, we're gonna see what it will bring. Good. Then gold, not my favorite anymore. So the nice profits were made over here last year. Then this is where it happened. So I got to here all those buy entries, and then we got slammed down by almost 9%. And here we got the exit signal, and so that's where I was supposed to close with a slight profit, but I don't recall what exactly happened. I think there was a bug in my script or something, but actually it did not close then. And I remember the day after I was looking at it carefully and watching that maybe we will push higher, and then I could close out again where the close was of on the 30th of January, but we never reached it, so I had to close down with a loss. So this was very unfortunate. And then now the last trades. So we have this one, and now we are down almost 3.6%, and that's the one which finally killed the account. Silver, also not much here. So we also got slammed 26.29% on the 30th of January. And despite the war going on in Iran, I'm a bit disappointed. I thought precious metals would do well, that dollar would be weaker, but the opposite happened. So dollar is gaining strength. So interesting. Now, anyway, for silver, we got those fake signals, so that means it could have been a buy signal, but since the last trade was in profit, it doesn't take it. Then for the Nasdaq, not much to say about it. Got an exit signal, and since then, nothing. Euro USD, there's the short signal yesterday. Crude oil, also unfortunately, I forgot to schedule that algo, and I was not in that trade, but that would have been also a nice one. Let's see. If we take the measuring tool, and let's take it from the second buy signal. Oh my god, almost 30%. And on the peak, it would have been 36.08. Yeah, that's unfortunate, but as you can see, the algos, they were on the on the right side of the trade. They would have gotten me in very early, but yeah, such things happen. Copper, 2 buy signals, and currently it's trading flat. It's also not much to say about this one. And I think for the stocks, we can be fast about that one. Apple, nothing. Oh my god. Adobe, all the way down. Let's have a look out of curiosity. 31% from top to bottom. Amazon, yeah, we got the entry signal a few days ago. Alibaba, nothing. This one also seems to be selling off a lot, -4% for today. Walt Disney, nothing. Then Alphabet, that was another one which was quite problematic in my trades. Let's have a look at this one. So we got several buy signals over here, and then we did come all the way down. Today we will get an exit signal, but yeah, unfortunately the losses on that one also helped killing the account. And then MasterCard, here we get we got an entry signal yesterday. McDonald's, it looks like this one didn't give a re-entry, or did it? Yes, okay, it did. Okay, here at the bottom. So yeah, this is also a nice trade. Let's see. 8% for the moment, and the stock also gapped down today. Meta, nothing to say. Microsoft, same story. Nike, yesterday, exit signal. Nvidia, nothing. Palantir, nothing. Tesla, nothing. And Nasdaq, we already discussed. And S&P 500, also nothing. And on another SimpleFX account, trying the ATR breakout strategy. So looking at backtesting, it should work quite well. So as you can see from, when is this? The 3rd of January 2023, it would have produced 1,300% of profit. And the equity curve looks quite nice. And then in blue, the blue line is the buy and hold. So you can see it definitely outperforms it. And just as a reference, buy and hold would be 261%. So, and the strategy would produce 1,300. So that's definitely, yeah, 5x. I did a deeper backtest, so to a longer date. I don't remember until when, and it was also showing to be profitable. But that, of course, depends on the quality of the backtesting data from TradingView. So anyway, let's see. So far, it did trade this, and then here this short, and I think that was about it so far. I'm just quickly looking on the other screen. Why doesn't it show my trades? Oh, okay, I need to. Okay, let me show it to you. So this is the other account, which is trading Tesla. So currently short 2 positions, almost $37 in profit. And let's see, closed. Let's take it from the 1st of January. So short, here it realized, well, 2 cents, at least it's profit. And then we got 2 buy signals, and those ones produced $5.59 and $3.62. So far it's yeah, it's doing well. We're gonna have to see in the long term how it will go. Okay, good. So that was it from my side. See you in the next one. Bye bye.